Here I have Nokia 8.3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to go to settings, then you have to go to the display section, then advanced, wallpaper. Here you can select one of the preset wallpapers. You can select one of the on-device wallpapers here. You can select one of those from those categories like landscapes, textures, live, earth. Or you can just select your own image by going to the My Photos. And let's select our image. Then you have to adjust it. And then tap Set Wallpaper. And then select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.